Bevacizumab is a monoclonal antibody, known as anti-angiogenic agent. Bevacizumab is used for cancer treatment, as well as macular degeneration. It works by blocking the growth of blood vessels that supply food and oxygen needed for tumor growth. It is indicated for treatment of cervical cancer, metastatic colorectal cancer, and glioblastoma. Talking about the mechanism of action. Bevacizumab works by attaching to a protein called VEGF protein. These proteins make blood vessels grow. Cancerous cells typically produce a large amount of VEGF proteins, causing new blood vessels to grow near the malignant tumor. The blood vessels allow oxygen and nutrition to travel to the tumor, so it can grow larger. Bevacizumab also stops the formation of blood vessels that bring oxygen and nutrients to tumors, to slow the growth and spread of cancer. Bevacizumab is given as intravenous and intravitreal injection, that is injected directly into the vitreous cavity of the eye. Common side effects include headaches, dizziness, injection site reactions, abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. More serious side effects are dyspnea, thrombocytopenia, heart failure, gastrointestinal perforation, and bleeding. There are currently no contraindications listed for bevacizumab. Bevacizumab should not be administered in a dextrose solution due to the formation of insoluble aggregates. Teratogenicity is suspected based on studies in rabbits. There is no recommended treatment or antidote for an overdose of bevacizumab. Infusion reactions with bevacizumab can be severe, requiring discontinuation and early therapy for hypersensitivity reactions. That's all about pharmacology of bevacizumab. Hope you like this video. For more pharmacology pearls, keep sharing and keep supporting us. Thank you.